In a world where off-the-shelf products often fall short and fully customized solutions mean lengthy lead times, we present a third option that offers the best of both worlds. As a global leader in diagnostic and life science consumable development and manufacturing, SCHOTT MINIFAB's extensive expertise and purpose-built solutions enable both startups and industry leaders to get their products to market faster, without compromising on specific needs. Our distinctive approach lies in our modular design philosophy. We provide ready-to-use design modules that serve as the building blocks for a comprehensive, cohesive product. This approach ensures rapid deployment and integration, facilitating quicker market entry and operational efficiency. Yet, the true beauty of our solutions lies in their flexibility. These modules can be tailored and combined in a myriad of ways to create a product that is precisely aligned with your requirements. Our cartridge UDI and branding solutions offer versatility with options like RFID, printed labels, and laser marking. They include barcoding, human-readable information, and customizable branding. From manual to fully automated manufacturing, these solutions scale efficiently for various production needs. Our active valve technology offers dynamic fluid management, enabling simplified channel networks to conduct complex reactions with precision. Our solutions are tailored for responsive microfluidic system control and low cost of goods. Our reagent blisters provide controlled dispensing and extended shelf life for various materials, including solvents. The proprietary rupture structure of our blisters ensures controlled and precise reagent release in diagnostic cartridges. Our innovative sample port and cap design enables user-friendly, automatic sample filtering and precise microliter metering, essential for quantitative microfluidic assays and high-throughput diagnostics. Integrated detection modules are the CPU of many microfluidic cartridges. We offer glass and microarray detection modules and have solutions to integrate a broad portfolio of modules, including silicon and electrochemical-based sensors. Leveraging capillary action and pressure differentials, our passive valves autonomously control fluid flow. Precision fabrication from our state-of-the-art molding capabilities ensures high performance in fluidic regulation. Our portfolio of microfluidic mixers and chambers are designed for efficiency in PCR, protein, and genomic reactions, ensuring rapid, homogeneous mixing and precise environmental control for high-performance microfluidic assays. Our precision-engineered microfluidic channels, fabricated in a state-of-the-art injection molding facility, ensure sub-micron accuracy in fluidic circuitry, enabling complex designs with diverse cross-sections and aspect ratios for advanced microfluidic cartridges. SCHOTT MINIFAB is where experience and expertise meet innovation in microfluidic solutions. With more than 20 years of experience, we are experts in designing, developing, and manufacturing microfluidic systems aimed at diagnostic and life science applications. Having dedicated years to mastering the intricacies of this space, we bring a toolbox full of proven design solutions that meet the most challenging applications. We take pride in our ability to bring our customers' technologies to life.